Interesting facts about birds. Number 21. Birds of prey, raptors, or birds of prey, have sharp beaks and strong talons for catching and consuming prey. Number 22. Migratory patterns. Some birds follow specific migration routes known as flyways, adapting to changing seasons and climates. Number 23. Hummingbirds. These small birds can hover in midair and are known for their rapid wing beats and ability to feed on nectar. Number 24. Preening. Birds groom their feathers using their beaks to maintain their insulation and flight capabilities. Number 25. Vocal mimicry. Birds like mockingbirds and lyrebirds are skilled mimics, imitating other bird species and even human-made sounds.